Well, I guess it's not a mailbag question. I got a text question from one of my friends, and they said, "What the heck is going on with Twitter and Elon Musk?" And
Mm.
so, what we do know is that he went out and used his personal resources, which you can do when you're a multi-hundred billionaire, and he bought 9.2% of the company in terms of the stocks, the shares. And on this news, the price of Twitter surged 38%, and we still don't know exactly what Elon's plan is here. But Twitter and Elon have a love-hate relationship
Yep.
where they don't necessarily agree, but he uses it as a major platform for his speech, and he it's funny, he can move the market. He can press send on his cell phone and it moves the market, which I think
Yeah,
is
and
too much power.
yeah, the SEC really he gets into trouble with the SEC from time to time. And I think he will. I think there was going to be an investigation on how he announced he was buying a stake in Twitter.
Yeah.
But we see Tesla move on his tweets as well. It's kind of difficult, and we just hope that Elon doesn't talk too much. But he's an entrepreneur and
Hmm.
an innovator and a visionary when it comes to the tech world. And I guess Twitter actually announced on Friday that he was actually going to be getting a seat on their board of directors.
Well, you have no choice. Somebody owns 10% of your company.
That's more than the founder. I mean, the
Yeah.
founder only owns about 1.5% of the stock in that company, and Elon is trying to be a shareholder advocate here, or an influencer, and we'll see what happens with that. We'll have to have Jerry when he comes on the show talk a little bit about shareholder advocacy because there's a lot of
Hmm.
wrong things or bad things that companies are doing that have nothing to do with their business. And I don't know, this may be Elon's effort or attempt at trying to change some of that, at least with Twitter.
Yeah. It's interesting how much power somebody like that really has. You can go into politics and leadership in the country and everything, but really, if you can move the markets with words that you say online, you have a lot of power.